High above Athens, on the ancient Acropolis, stood the Parthenon. Every evening, a golden light was supposed to make the legends carved into the marble glow. But one day, the light failed, and the legends began to fade. The Griffon's crew, famous for solving mysteries, was called to the citadel. Among them were Squeaky, the clever mouse, and Pip, the strong squirrel. They had just arrived when a glowing owl appeared. "Greetings," said the owl softly. "I am Athena, and the golden light must be restored by relighting the lamp of knowledge. But the secret is hidden behind a riddle." Squeaky's eyes sparkled with curiosity.
"A riddle? We love riddles!"
Pip nodded, eager to help restore the golden light to the ancient temple. Athena fluttered her wings, and to solve the riddle you must gather clues from the caryatids, the stone maidens who hold up the ancient building. These pillars are not just strong, they also protect secrets carved into their graceful forms, Athena added, guiding them toward the mysterious stone maidens. The Griffon's crew set off to explore the remarkable caryatids. Squeaky, with her sharp eyes, darted between the tall stone maidens, searching for clues. Suddenly "Look! There's a small symbol carved beneath this maiden's foot, a star with a tiny key in its heart." Pip carefully approached a heavy pedestal nearby. "Maybe this holds the final clue," he suggested, his voice filled with hope. Pushing with all his might, Pip managed to slide the pedestal just enough to reveal an inscription underneath, a poem that seemed to hold the riddle's answer. The poem read, "When wisdom flies on silent wings, look where the stone maiden sings. Light the lamp with heart and mind, and the golden glow you'll find." Athena smiled warmly. "The stone maiden singing refers to me, the owl of wisdom perched nearby. The lamp is hidden within the Parthenon's secret chamber." Together, Squeaky and Pip followed Athena's guidance to a small door carved into the marble, hidden beneath the steps. Inside, they found the lamp of knowledge, dusty and dark, waiting to be relit to restore the golden glow. Squeaky carefully lit the lamp using a small flame she carried, and suddenly the entire Parthenon was bathed in the golden light once more. The legends carved into the marble began to glow, shining brighter than ever before, telling their stories to all who looked. Athena the owl nodded her approval. "Thanks to your courage and cleverness, the light of wisdom shines again over Athens." As they watched the magical light, Pip said her own, "Did you know the Acropolis stands so high above the city so everyone can see the stories and remember forever?" Squeaky grinned. "And now, those stories will never fade away," she replied, feeling proud of their accomplishment. The Griffon's crew and their wise owl friend had saved the day, proving that with teamwork and a little bit of magic, even the oldest secrets could be uncovered. And the stories could be cherished for generations to come, inspiring everyone with their timeless wisdom. As the night deepens, the Parthenon stands as a beacon of knowledge, guarding the precious stories of the past. Squeaky and Pip smile, knowing they played a part in preserving the magic of the Acropolis for all time. And with that, the Griffon's crew knew their adventure was complete, filled with friendship and the joy of discovery. As dawn breaks over Athens, the golden light of the Parthenon continues to shine, reminding everyone of the importance of wisdom and friendship.